In this demonstration, we're going to talk about a mobile optimized website. What we can do for you is to create a separate website that feeds off of the information from your regular website that's optimized for mobile devices such as iPhones and Blackberries, any kind of mobile device. The reason that you need that is because a mobile device is going to have trouble, with more dynamic information on your website. Has trouble with large images and things of that nature as well as Flash. And iPhone actually won't play any type of Flash. And so what we do is create a mobile optimized version of your site, where if a user comes in from one of those devices, it's going to redirect that user to a version of the site specific to for mobile devices. So just to demonstrate the fact, we're going to go on a regular browser to the FIS Web Services website. I'm just going to go ahead and do that. This website has a lot of dynamic content. It has, you can see it has things that flash across. This actually uses JavaScript, so it's not Flash necessarily, but it's things that a mobile device would have trouble displaying. An iPhone would probably display this whole site, but it would probably go very slowly. So what we did is we created a mobile optimized version of this site, for iPhones and mobile devices such as that. What I have here, I'm actually have a iPhone emulator. This is just a computer program that simulates how an iPhone would work. So I'm going to type in fiswebservices.com onto this device, and it should emulate the way an iPhone would behave. So you can see it looks like a totally different website. If I didn't have it set up that way, it would try to display this website that I have right behind it in my regular browser onto the iPhone. It would be difficult to navigate. It would be very slow. It would probably have difficulty with some of the code that's on here. And you can see this version is just a much simpler, just a much easier version for the iPhone. So it has all the same information on it. These are actually just feeds, from the rest of the site, and it's easy to navigate as well. Actually, I don't know how to slide up and down on this, but it'll actually expand out a little bit further. So if I click on any of these links, it'll actually display more information on the product, things of that nature. We actually have a full demo of it. I'm just going to go ahead and close this. If you go to our FIS Web Services site, and then go to the mobile optimized demo of the site, you can see kind of a more live version of it on here, which has kind of a similar demonstration to what I'm showing here. And you can see that all the information that we have on this. What we create as far as a mobile optimized website goes is template based, as in the look of it is going to be similar. We can change things such as background colors, things of that nature. Although we don't necessarily recommend it, we would recommend having a white background. We would recommend using somewhat neutral colors for display, just so that it would display properly on the majority of devices. We do test these on a growing list of devices, and you can actually get this list from our website as well, the devices that we've tested this with. What we would do is highlight the things that you find most important on your website, things that would be most important for a mobile user, things such as types of accounts that you have, where your locations are. You can even put in a contact us feature on there as well. What we'll do is we will create that from a feed off of your regular website. So if you update your content on your normal website, it'll also update on your mobile device as well. So that will pretty much conclude this demonstration.